Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Hood. In today's video, we're going to show you how to lock apps on your Xiaomi device. This feature is perfect for keeping your private apps secure. And the best part? It's built right into Xiaomi's MIUI system. First, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Scroll through the options and look for Apps tab on it. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. Find and select App Lock. If it's your first time using this feature, Xiaomi will guide you through the setup. You'll need to create a secure PIN, pattern, or password. For extra protection, you can also enable fingerprint or face unlock if your device supports it. Once you're in the App Lock menu, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Simply toggle the switch for the apps you want to lock. That's it. Your chosen apps are now protected. To test it, close the Settings app and try opening a locked app. You'll be prompted to enter your lock pattern, PIN, or use your fingerprint. And there you have it. Your private apps are now safe and secure, accessible only by you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to How to Hood for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.